Well, a surge in whooping cough cases in Europe has health experts keeping a very close eye on the situation here. CTV National's Scott Hurst is live this morning with more on this. So, Scott, how bad is the situation in Europe right now?
Nick, European health officials are sounding the alarm, reporting a surge in cases of whooping cough, also known as pertussis, with 10 times as many cases identified as in the past 2 years. And so because of the surge overseas, because of the concern in Europe, CTV News reached out to the Public Health Agency of Canada to determine the level of concern within our borders. And there are cases in Canada. It's just a matter of how many every year. While an outbreak has not been declared nationwide in our country, whooping cough is regularly detected in Canada. According to the Public Health Agency of Canada, in a statement to CTV News, it says increased pertussis activity this year is not unexpected, as it comes on the heels of the COVID-19 pandemic, where fewer cases were reported. And the disease typically averages between 500 and 4,500 cases annually in Canada, with bigger whooping cough epidemics expected every 3 to 5 years, even in countries like Canada with higher vaccination rates. And Nick, in terms of signs and symptoms, it really comes on looking and feeling like a regular cold. Talk about runny nose, sneezing, fever, and mild cough, and then can really turn after a week into that more serious coughing bout, particularly at nighttime. And health officials say the best defense against whooping cough or pertussis is to keep up with vaccination rates. And the most concern here are infants, are babies, and they're advised to start their immunizations at 2 months old and then have several more updates to that vaccine over the toddler years, so several shots within the toddler years because of that concern. But it is something that can affect everybody, but most concern are babies, Nick.
Yeah, okay, definitely something to watch for and to think about, that's for sure. That is CTV National Scott Hurst live for us this morning. Scott, always good to chat. Thanks for this.